Hi guys, it's Sophie. Welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this duochrome smoky eye with a liner. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieved this look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. And I also paired this with a full face look. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We're almost at 100K. I'm so excited. Thank you so much. So the first thing I'm doing is going into my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Contour Concealer, and I'm using the shade Light Ivory, and I'm just applying a nice even base all over my lid, and then I'm also setting it with some translucent powder. And then going into my brow bone highlight, I'm applying my Makeup Forever Starlit Powder number 13. For today's palette, I'm going into my Morphe 39A Dare to Create palette, which is one of my favorite palettes. I mentioned this palette in my favorites video, my favorite makeup of 2018 video. So it's definitely one of my favorites. I'm just picking up the warm transition color and just buffing that into my crease. Next, I'm picking up this dark brown eyeshadow and this angled brush. And for today's look, we are not doing a cut crease, but I just love the way that a defined crease looks. So this is just the technique that works for me. You don't really need to apply it this way, but I personally love applying it that way. And then I'm going into this small tapered brush and that lighter brick shade, and I'm just going in left and right motions over top of that line. And as you can see, just applying that line first with an angled brush just gives us a little bit more definition and kind of adds detail to the look. So it makes the crease look a little bit more defined. If you're into that, then you can copy my technique. Next, I'm picking up this ColourPop Jelly Shadow in the shade Half Moon. And this is a duochrome eyeshadow, so it has purple and blue in it. And then I'm picking up my Too Faced glitter glue and just applying that to the center of my lid. Next, I picked up my Makeup Forever Starlit Powder in the shade 108. And it's this beautiful duochrome loose pigment. Super gorgeous. Highly recommend using a glitter glue though, or else you will get a lot of transfer. And then I'm going into my angled brush and that dark brown eyeshadow once again, and I'm just redrawing that definition and then blending it out with a really small tapered brush, and also applying some to the outer corner. Next, I'm picking up my Urban Decay Perversion eyeliner, and I'm just drawing my wing and then taking off the tape. And I really do like this eyeliner. It works well when your eyes are watering. It won't leak, which is the main thing that I like about it, but I don't like how it's not matte. And then for lashes, I'm applying my Shop Sophie Bella Barbados lashes. And then for my waterline, I decided to use this black eyeliner by CoverGirl. I'll leave the exact name in the description box down below, as well as everything else that I'm using. And then for the lower lash line, I'm just applying the same shades that we applied in the crease. So first, that really warm transition color from the Morphe palette, and then the dark brown eyeshadow. Next, I'm just applying my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara onto my lower lashes. And then I'm going to be applying my Makeup Forever Starlit Powder number 13 once again, a little bit more to my brow bone and also to my inner corner. And the last thing that I'm doing for my eyes is I'm just running my spoolie through some bar soap, which is my little trick to get my brows looking a little bit more feathery and just a little bit more natural. And that's pretty much it for the eye look. If you guys want to see the full face look that I paired with this eye, then just go ahead and keep on watching. First thing I'm doing is priming with my Too Faced Hangover RX face primer, and I love this face primer. And then I'm going into my Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup Foundation, and I'm first applying it with a flat brush just to get a nice even coverage and just evenly distribute it on my face. And then I'm going in with my damp e.l.f. beauty sponge and just kind of working it into the skin even more and just really blending that foundation into my skin. And then I'm going into my Too Faced Born This Way concealer, this darker shade, and I'm just going to be using this shade to cream contour. So I'm just applying it to my cheekbones, a little bit on the tip of my nose, a little bit underneath my lower lip, and a little bit on my forehead. And then I'm using this kabuki brush that I use for my foundation to help me blend it out. Next, I'm going into this color corrector by Laura Geller, and it comes with multiple different colors, but I like using the salmon color underneath my eyes, and Bella actually put me onto this product, and it does really work when you have under eye bags. And then I'm going into my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer, and I'm just applying 2 shades. I'm applying my medium olive and my natural shade, and I'm just applying that under my eyes, a little bit on my nose, just anywhere that you want to conceal or highlight, just go ahead and apply that there. And then I'm going into my e.l.f. beauty sponge to help me blend it out. And then to set my under eye, I'm just lightly baking with my Maybelline Fit Me powder. And then I'm highlighting with my ABH X Omrizi highlight. And I'm just going in with this little brush to apply it to my Cupid's bow and to my nose. And then I'm going in with my fan brush and applying it to my cheekbones. And then I'm bronzing. I'm using my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer, which is my favorite. And then for blush today, I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio in the shade Peachy Love. Go ahead and leave a comment down below if you guys like seeing full face videos on our channel. If it's something that you want to see more of, or if you only like the close-up eye looks, go ahead and let us know in the comment section. To line my lips, I used my Rimmel London Coffee Bean Lip Liner, and then for lipstick, I went ahead and picked up my MAC Cosmetics lipstick in the shade The Right Note, which is one of my favorite nude lipsticks at the moment. And this is pretty much the finished look, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much for watching to the end. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you guys want to be entered in our monthly giveaway, then just make sure that you like this video. Make sure you're subscribed, turn your post notifications on, and then comment done in the comment section down below. Good luck, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!